La pendule fait tic-tac, tic-tic. Les oiseaux du lac pic-pac, pic-pic. Glou, glou, glou font tous les dindons. Et la jolie cloche
It started with 3 magnetic animals.
s'éveille.
Since then, we've kickstarted no less than 20 animals.
Au rythme de ce boom qui redonne.
And now we're back with campaign number 5.
Oh yeah! Boom!
So what's next?
We call them pick-me-ups,
Là, y a des mains tendues sur la mer, le soleil.
a collection of cute animals for you to love.
You can easily animate them in different ways, and hopefully they'll make your day a little brighter.
Quand notre cœur fait
And they come in 2 sizes.
le vent dans les bois.
And these little guys, they're quite cool, because they can be combined with all the existing magnetic animals.
Et les pieds mouillés font
And of course, they're approved for children.
And we're still committed to planting trees for every animal we sell.
This is not the most innovative product ever made. They don't connect to an app, improve your skin, or help you organize your tasks. They won't disrupt an industry or revolutionize the way you live your life.
But they might just bring a smile to your face and remind you to enjoy the little things in life. And sometimes that's just what you need.
merveille. Boum, le monde.
But altogether, these new animals are simply here to remind us to take care of our loved ones,
To greet life with an open mind,
To remain playful every day.
to stand together when strong winds blow,
or to just howl at the moon whenever we feel like it. No. 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 No.
every now and then we may all need someone to pick us up.
So now it's up to you guys to pick them up.
So let's go.
Boum, le monde entier fait boum. Tout aveuglé des boum. Quand notre cœur fait boum, boum, boum. Je n'entends que boum, boum. Ça fait toujours boum, 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 boum.
Og så picker vi ham op.
No.